I'm gonna go out this morning to move a bunch of stuff that I've left in front of my neighbor's property. A friend of a friend bought the house at the very end of this row of houses and he's renovating it. He's so great. Like, he is everything you want a neighbor to be. And the entrance to part of his property is just above mine. It's where I've been piling stuff. So today I'm gonna go and clear that out, because he's gonna bring a bulldozer in and flatten that property out. And there's a big surprise coming up with that one. This is the piece of property I was talking about. So you see I've left all my stuff here. The stones are gonna stay, and now I even know what they're gonna be used for. And the rest of this I'm gonna clear up today. This strip of land behind my house is too narrow to build on. And my neighbor has agreed to let me make a vegetable patch there. This is a project for next year, though. Council allows us to dump, and they clean up really regularly. I can't believe there was this much stuff on the road, and on the side it's a lot of junk. See those black ones there? If you don't know what those are, check out this video here. Αυτό είναι σκουπίδι.
Βάλτο στη μύδα, μωρέ, βάλτο στη μύδα λίγο, στη μύδα.
Δεν πειράζει. Όμως, το ξέρω, είναι. Αλλά επίλεξε λάθος μέρος. Και κανονικά την ελιά θέλει ένα σκληρό κλάδεμα τώρα, μέχρι το κορμί. Άμα το τρεις μας. Αυτό λέω, είναι εκεί. Έλα παιδί μου. Ας κάτσω να το πω. Edo. Let's go. Okay. Next. Wow. Next. Woo. Power. Well, they didn't get very far because the truck was too big. So I guess what he wants to do is fill it in here and then flatten it out. He'll be coming back with a smaller JVC in order to get that dirt that they want to move from one side of this row of houses to this side. It's not going to happen with this big truck, no way. Thank goodness they really took a lot of time and care, because they could have really smashed up my house. The truck was barely able to fit around the corner. And they didn't get the tree. I actually stood over the tree. I've put this cloth around the central island for a temporary solution, because it will be a long time, maybe not even till next winter, that I have the time and the inclination to actually build this thing out. But hey, it's not that bad. It looks a lot better in person than it does right now on the camera. And at least it blocks the pans from being in the middle of the living room. So eventually I need to build a shelving unit in here so there are different levels to store things. It will remain open from this side probably, but then I'll do something like this all the way around out of wood. I'm resisting the urge to unpack my mom's dollhouse. I know it would be foolish, so that's just gonna be here waiting until the house is actually painted. From time to time, I like to keep track of what I spend on food on a monthly basis. More to freak myself out than anything. I mean, as a single person who does not eat meat or drink alcohol, I don't get expensive stuff. I need about 500 to 600 euros a month to eat, just to have healthy, organic food. Oh, look at this patch of poppies. Unbelievable. I'm still overwhelmed by the dust in here, but I'm trying not to get discouraged because I felt the same way about the gravel, and we got that under control. It just occurred to me today that I haven't found a piece of gravel inside the house for a long, long time. I'm trying to ignore it until the project is actually done, because once the place is painted, the dust will be so much better. Right now, the walls are really dusty, no matter how much I vacuum them. They haven't been sealed. And bring it to the laundry immediately. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Oh, so much better. Oh my God. Why would an adult ever sleep on a single bed if they didn't have to? Like, why? Oh, okay. Good morning. Sometimes I need a day of just physical exercise, and today is that day. I also need fresh air, sunshine. I've been indoors a lot the last week, so I've set myself up to finally get all of this cleared up. I just emptied this. This was sand. This is all gonna get cleaned up by my neighbor, Taki. I managed to get the garage door open because all of this was dumped in a big hurry when we were trying to get a big machine in there. Anyway, I'm gonna chop this up and have it piled inside. I'm gonna throw this away, and I'm gonna bring all these pavers to the backyard because at the end of the day, I decided I'm gonna use these pavers for the backyard rather than gravel. But I'm not gonna cement them in like I did indoors. They're gonna have mossy sand in between them. And I know it's very strange, but I really like jobs that are repetition and are a little bit CrossFit-y. Although I would never go to CrossFit because there's always jobs like this. So yeah, enough said, let's just get it done. The ones that are wafer thin are not okay for the garden. Not issue except some packed sand. Thicker ones. I like that monster. Good morning. I'm off to Kea just for the day to pick up that pile I talked about last week, repeatedly. And to measure out some cookie dough and to fill some orders and to meet with my accountant. So let you guess what day it is. What a beautiful day. Okay, this is the last time I'm going to be in this house, ever. I don't anticipate I will ever step foot inside this space. It's been a great 20 years, and it's more than time to move on. Well, I wrote this bag out of recycled plastic bags. It's been around the world, it's been through it. This is precious to me. This was carved by a man that I met when he was in his 90s. And he lived in a beautiful home that I also renovated before I did. And I found this left behind from his childhood. This was a dumpster find from last summer. Card table. Another box of weaving stuff and this cool eBay find. Tray. That's it. I can now say with 100% certainty, everything I own is under this roof. Every time I drink a cup of tea, I think I'm gonna have to actually haul this cup of tea out of here at some point. It's been a cooler than normal spring, so I've been getting a lot of indoor jobs done. I'm very purposely taking it easy because I have been having some trouble with my health. But I love these little jobs and they're not tiring. It works. Looks good too. I like it. Oh, I like it a lot. Nice. Oh man. Okay, good. So much easier. This was a piece of marble that was left over from another job that Stavros and Kostas, the marble guy, did. And it was just lying around the yard, the marble yard. And I spotted it. And I asked him if I could have it. And he cut it at the top of this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It had a marble top, but it wasn't as nice. This is the renovation. And the one it had broken half at the house when they tried to pull it up. Oh wow, that's something. It's so thin, it's so fragile. It's about as fragile as glass is. But I'm not gonna cut on it or anything. Oh, it's just so pretty. Wow. And it's the same green streaked Venetian marble as the counter. Oh my goodness, what? Wow, it's just beautiful. Dickie comes in from a whole day outside and does her business in her box. Talk about domesticated. I love my kitchen. There is still so much more to do in this house, but I'm really enjoying the way it's starting to shape up. It's still a glamping situation. I don't have proper electricity, I don't have proper sewage, I'm only living in 2 out of the 6 rooms, but I'm still really loving it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. You know the deal, I'll keep making these things as long as you come back. Keep liking and keep subscribing. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers really quickly. Thank you so much.